the Fed can reprice gold and turn 11 billion into nearly 900 billion overnight, what stops it from extending that logic? A market crash, a fiscal collapse, a war, and suddenly, the Fed isn't just the buyer of last resort, it's the owner of last resort. Stocks, land, digital assets, whatever it needs to stabilize the system. That's the real mechanism of power. Ownership by number. The Fed doesn't need to seize gold bars or stock certificates. It just changes the accounting, and the world falls in line, which leaves us in a system where value is whatever the Fed says it is. The conclusion isn't that the Fed owns gold. The conclusion is that the Fed owns everything. So, what's left that can't be conjured, repriced, or papered over? What can't be switched off with a keystroke? The answer is the same one central banks themselves have been quietly hoarding for years. Gold. Because gold doesn't need the Fed's permission to exist. It isn't someone else's liability. It isn't an entry in a ledger that can be redefined overnight. It's the one asset that sits outside the Fed's reach. Unless, of course, they revalue it to rescue the system. And when they do, that revaluation proves the point. Gold is the ultimate protection because it is the denominator they can't print.